What is up, guys? Today is Stella's first day out. I'm so excited for this little pup. We just finished force fetch. She is 8 months old and I've been training her since 8 weeks. So her flaws, come out. They're there because of my flaw in training, but I think she's ready to go out anyway and figure out the game. So I can't wait. She loves bumpers and birds, so we just gotta connect those two. So, what do you think, puppy? You ready to roll? You ready to roll, puppy? Well, it's actually pouring right now, so just have to wait it out a little bit, puppy. I can't wait anymore. It's still drizzling, so we're going. Oh, I kicked a bunch of teal out of this spot. Got some stupid teal right here. So, we could hunt out of the boat, but I don't really want to, so we'll use her play stand. He really wants to retrieve these decoys. I guess I haven't done enough decoy work with her. I did some a while back, but it's been a long time. Right now I got a freaking cluster here. There we go. No, place. Sit. Good girl. Good dog. Sit. Mark. Stella. Good dog. Get a little energy out. Good. Place. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good. Hands. Good girl. Good. Good girl. Sit. 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 Stella! Here. Well, not a good start, but I did kill one. Find it. Find it. No, no. Find it. No, Stella, no. Stella, find it. Find it. Good girl. Good dog. Good girl. Good girl. Hold. Hold it. Good dog. 2 minutes in. Good dog. Good dog. Place. Yes. I'm happy with that. Place. Oh no, hold. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good. Hold. Hold. Hand. Good girl. Well, what do you have to say about your first retrieve, Stella? Oh. You're like, well, you didn't really tell me what to do, but I got it. What are these geese doing here? Sit. Sit. Well, I went 1 for 3 on that first pass. So much for trying to get a 1 shot, 1 kill. But today is all about getting Stella ready for, hunting. I had to go out with her. That's not a big deal to me on this first time. She's gonna understand. She's gonna pick it up quick. Get ready, Stella. Sit. 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 Stella! Stella! Find it! Find it! Got a double. Find it. No. Find it. Good girl. Good dog. Good dog. Here. Good girl. That's number 2 for me, and 3's right there. Stella's second retrieve. Had to help her find it. But you know, that's not bothering me right now. This is her first day. Good girl. Place. Hold. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Place. Good. No, hold. Hold. Sit. Good. Hold. No, hold. 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 Good. Hand. Good girl. Sit. Stella. Find it. Find it. Find it. Good girl. Good dog. Good dog. There's a teal right there. Place. Oh, that's a pretty blue wing. That's a pretty blue wing. Place. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Good. Sit. Hold. Hand. Good girl. Good dog. Good girl, Stella. Good girl. Good dog. Sit. Good girl. Sit. 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 Mark. Stella! That worked out amazingly well. Good girl, place. Good dog, hold, 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 sit. No, hold, hold, no, hold, 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 good. No, hold, no, hold, good. Hand, good girl, good dog, good girl. Man, I got so lucky. That one drifted out, came straight back. Good girl. Sit. Good dog. Sit. Stella. Oh, she saw that one. Good girl. Find it. Find it. Oh, nope. Find it. Thought you saw that one, girl. Good dog. Good girl. Good dog. Good dog. Here. Good girl. She did a little better on that one. Dang, I only need one more. This hunt, these migrators just showed up last night. They are dumb. We've been here like 10-15 minutes. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Place. Hold. No, fetch. Stella, fetch. Fetch. Hold. Hold. Good dog. Hand. Good girl. Not the greatest, but we'll take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. Needle. Can't be doing that thing, Stella. Mark. 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 Sit. Stella! That's a limit. Can she do it right on the last one? Good girl, Stella. Good dog. Good dog. Here. I am done. Good girl. Good dog. Hold. 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 Good girl. Place. Good dog. Hold. Hold. Good dog. Hold. Hand. Good girl. Good dog. Sit. We are done. Good dog, Stella. She really got a hold of that last one. She seen it come in. I shot it. She went and got it. Man, I could have shot my limit and way quicker than we did. That one she was having trouble on was totally demolished, so she was probably tasting stuff she hadn't tasted before, guts and lots of blood. It was just toasted and roasted. Good girl. Good dog. So maybe that could have been why. Make sure and pick up all these shells. Fetch it. Good girl, here. No, fetch. Fetch it. Fetch it. Stella. Stella. Fetch it. Good. Hand. Fetch it. Good dog, here. Good. Hand. Well, guys, I'm happy with how Stella did. First hunt at 8 months. You know, I've heard don't hunt a dog till 10 months. We just worked really hard, and I just want to get her out. You know, I want to keep training her. Horse to pile, we'll just continue what we're doing. We're just gonna keep training and keep hunting. So she's gonna get a lot of hunting this year. Ain't that right, puppy? Hey, Stella. Praise the Lord for how this first hunt went. You know, getting a dog is sanctifying in many ways. It's kind of like being in a relationship, except you can put it in a box, which is really nice.